Unlock the full power of AP Pro2 Key Programmer step-by-step software download and installation guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into all things automobile diagnostics and programming. Before we jump into today's tutorial, I have a quick question for you. Have you ever struggled to install key programming software or wondered how to get those tricky odometer corrections done without any hidden fees? If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're breaking down everything you need to know about the AP Pro2, also known as AP PRO2 software, how to download it, install it step by step, and troubleshoot common issues like a pro. But before I get into the nitty-gritty, here's an important disclaimer. This video is purely for educational and informational purposes. Everything I show you, whether it's demos, tips, or software walkthroughs, is designed to help vehicle techs, enthusiasts, and learners better understand automobile diagnostics. We follow fair use strictly, meaning no copyrighted content is used commercially, and all trademarks belong to their rightful owners. Please always follow your vehicle manufacturer's guidelines and local laws when working on cars. Now, if you're excited to level up your diagnostic skills, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Also, drop a comment below if you already know how to get the check code for odometer correction or if this is your first time hearing about it. I'm curious to see your thoughts. All right, let's get started. So what exactly is the AP Pro2 or AP PRO2 software? This tool is a universal key programming and odometer correction powerhouse, supporting a broad spectrum of vehicle brands like VG, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Jaguar Land Rover, Porsche, Volvo, and Toyota. What's fantastic is it supports programming for complex systems like BMW's BDC2 and VG's IMMO4 and IMMO5 MQB and EC35XX, all without requiring any yearly subscription fees. Plus, all licenses come pre-activated, including those for BMW's 6 HP gearbox and Mercedes gearbox modules. That means no annoying extra purchases to unlock full functionality. Now, let me walk you through how to get this software up and running on your PC. Step 1. You'll want to reach out to UOBD2 and get two essential packages: the AP PRO2 software installation pack and the offline installer for Microsoft.NET Framework 3.5 SP1. Why .NET Framework 3.5? Because the software depends on it to run smoothly, especially on Windows systems. Step 2. Time to install. The software is compatible with a wide range of Windows operating systems, from the classic Windows XP all the way up to Windows 11, both 32-bit and 64-bit versions. First, make sure .NET Framework 3.5 SP1 is installed or enabled on your computer. For Windows XP, use the provided installation package. For Windows 7, 10, or 11, you can enable it by navigating to your control panel, selecting Programs and Features, then turn Windows features on or off, and ticking the .NET Framework 3.5 box. Once that's done, simply run the APPRO2 bootup.exe file found in the APPRO2 folder, and you're ready to start. Before you rush off to try it, let's clear up some of the most common questions users have. FAQ 1. How do you get the check code for odometer correction? Do you need tokens or pay fees? The answer is super user-friendly. When the device prompts you with a random code during the correction process, just copy that code along with your device's serial number and send both to customer service. They'll calculate and send you the check code absolutely free. No tokens, no charges. Just paste it back into the pop-up window, and you're good to go. FAQ 2. If the software tells you, not yet connected to the internet, don't panic. First, check your internet connection is stable. Next, make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the software. You can also adjust the Setting Server option to choose the best download server for your region: North China server if you're in mainland China, or Hong Kong server for other areas. Additionally, lowering the network packet size can improve transmission success, though it may slow download speed slightly. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful so far, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts and tech lovers. Your support means the world and helps me keep bringing you the best content. And hey, I'd love to hear your experience with AP Pro2, or if you have any installation questions, drop a comment below. What challenges have you faced with key programming or odometer corrections? Let's get that conversation going. Now, let me ask you this one more time before we wrap up. Do you know why the AP PRO2 software doesn't require any yearly subscriptions or token purchases like other tools? Think about it. And if you want to guess or share your opinion, please do so in the comments. Huge thanks to everyone who's been supporting the channel. Whether you're a returning subscriber or a new viewer, your engagement really powers this community. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that button before you go. It costs nothing, but helps tremendously. Also, let's smash our goal: 1,000 likes and 100 comments in the next 24 hours. If this video has made your diagnostics journey easier, hit like, leave a comment, and if you feel like going the extra mile, consider sending a super thanks to keep this channel alive. And here's the answer to my question from earlier. The AP PRO2 software is designed without yearly subscriptions or token fees because it comes fully licensed and activated out of the box, giving you full access without hidden charges. This is a huge plus compared to many other key programmers that lock features behind paywalls. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. I'm looking forward to reading your thoughts below and seeing you in the next video. Until then, happy diagnosing and take care.